Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see one of the healthiest recipes, crab fry with minimal oil. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Add 2 chopped onions and 4 sliced green chilies to it. Add 1 spoon of rock salt to it. Add few curry leaves. Fry until the onions turn to translucent. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Add 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder and a quarter spoon of cumin powder to it and fry well until they are aromatic. Fry on low flame only. Add 3 spoons of red chili powder, or you may adjust according to your taste. Fry well and pour a dash of water to avoid the masalas to burn. It will also help all the masalas to combine very well. Now add the pre-washed and cleaned crab pieces to it. I am taking half kg of it and mix well until they are coated well with masala. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder here and mix well. Do keep checking in between, otherwise they may catch up the bottom. Again cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Stir in between as shown. It will release its own juices and it cooks on its own juices. No need to add any water or oil extra. You can see the crab is changing the color from pink to red. That is, it is cooking. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. It will take total of 15 minutes time for them to cook. Mix again and add chopped coriander leaves here. It's almost done. You can switch off the flame and serve hot as a starter. Do try my recipes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.